Now we are going to create main.py file. So here you can see we already import these things. Import streamlit dot from streamlit, import streamlit sst. Okay, and here I am going to load streamlit UI. Okay, streamlit UI from load UI from this file. Here is one. Okay, so where is my man? This one. Here you can also create go by definition, go to definition. You can do this. Okay, this will show you this class. And here I am going to import grok LLM. Okay, that we can access the model from this file grok LLM, which have I mean in this folder LLM we have grok.llm, grok llm.py file, and here we are going to import grok llm and we have import in the folder from folder of graph we import graph builder. Okay, this one from this. So here you can also check in graph builder here. This one graph builder. Okay, in our main.py. Okay, and display result I have imported from display result file. So you can go and check this one. Okay, now I have a function load LangGraph Agentic AI app. Okay, so this is the description main function to run the LLM graph Agentic AI. Okay, so here we are going to load streamlit UI and get the user imports. Second, initialize the selected LLM. Okay, third, build the LangGraph based on the selected use cases. Okay, and four, process the user message and display the response in the streamlit. Handle any exception to prevent the crash. Okay, so here in step first, load the UI and get the user input. Okay, here we are going to load the UI and get the user input. Okay, so UI equals to load streamlit UI. Okay, so this will from load UI dot py file. Okay, and user input equals to user dot load streamlit UI, and here if not user input it will give you error, fail to load user input from the UI return, and it will return. Okay, return nothing. And step 2, get the user and chat message. Okay, so here user message equals to st.chat import enter user message. If user message equals to if user message, then we are going to use try and accept that we can check error. So step 3, config the LLM grok. Okay, so here we are going to config the LLM grok object LLM config grok LLM user control input user input model equals to object LLM config dot get LLM model. If not model st dot error, like it will give you error, model cannot be initialized in return. Next step 4, get the selected use case. Use cases, here we can select use cases equals to user input dot get selected use cases. I have already told you use this one, selected use cases and drop down. Okay, and here if not use cases it will give you error, no use cases selected. Okay, like if you don't, I mean if you not select here anything, then it will give you error. Okay, this is for API, this is for model, and this is for select the LLM. Okay, now initialize and set up the graph. Okay, so graph builder equals to graph builder. Here I'm going to pass model, and we are going to use try and accept again. So graph equals to graph builder, set up graph, use cases, print user message. Okay, and in 6th step, display the chatbot response in streamlit. Okay, so this will display streamlit result. Here I'm going to pass use cases, graph, user message, display the result on UI, Otherwise it will give you exception error, error equals to graph get failed. Okay, and return, and here exception as a st dot error return llm configuration failed. Okay, so this is for our graph builder. Okay, and this is step for get selected the use case, this one. Okay, if you don't select anything then it will give you error. Okay, the error is what? No use case was case selected. Okay, and this is for get the user chat message. Okay, here, hmm, here, like if you search anything from here, hi. Okay, so it will say llm configuration failed error occur with the exception grok api key. I don't have here, I don't have any api key, so I need to give grok api here. Now I'm going to search. Okay, so this will give you result user input. Like I'm going to input here something. What is area? Okay, so this will give you answer. Now like like it will check, like if you use a message and try, that it will find out model and get the answer from model. If not model find out, this will give you result. Model cannot be initialized. Okay, that we got previously. We don't have api keys in our dashboard. Okay, and this is for get the user chat. Okay, I have completed on this, and this is for load streamlit ui. If not user, then it will give the error fail to load user input from the ui. Okay, so I think guys, I hope uh, after man I need to create app.py file. Okay, so import the main function from the our modular code. So here from src LangGraph Agentic AI man import load LangGraph Agentic AI. Okay, so I'm going to import this function in app.py. Okay, check if the script is begin run directly, not imported. If underscore man. Okay, call the main function to start the chatbot app. Okay, so this is our code. Okay, I have everything. Now I need to go here, need to start new terminal. Okay, I need to clear this. Now I am going to run. So we can run this project by using streamlit run app.py. Okay, so this is said that I'm going to invalid, I'm going to use invalid path. So I need to check where is my app.py file. Okay, so we don't have, so I need to copy it and I need to go in this folder. Okay, so I need to check again. So here I have app.py. Now in this folder I need to run this command, because in this folder we have app.py, otherwise it will give you error. Okay, so this is our project. You can select here your model, and here you can select your different models. Okay, and here you need to put your api key, and this is our basic chatbot. Okay, like I have api key from .env file. I need to copy this file, this api key. I need to save all. Okay, I need to rerun this again. Actually I need to close everything. Actually then we can rerun again. We can rerun it again. Okay, so here you can select your model, because I have these models in where in the file of UI config file. These are the models. Okay, so here you can see these are the models. Okay, I wrote I think I did a spelling mistake here. Instant, it's an instant, not a chat. Intents, no, not like that. It's an intent. Okay, now I reload this. Okay, then I can check it's instant. Okay, now I am going to use this model. I can enter our API key. Okay, not now, just I am asking who is Trump. Okay, so it will show you Donald John Trump is an American business, television personality, and politics who served as the 45th president of the United States. Okay, like you can also search where is India. Okay, so this will give you India is a country located in South Asia. Okay, it is situated on the Indian subcontinental, which is a large peninsula that extend into the Indian Ocean into share the border with the several countries including Pakistan to west, Afghanistan, China, Nepal and Bhutan to the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Okay, now I can also search who is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Mm, who is PM Narendra Modi? Okay, so the answer is Narendra Modi is the 14th and current Prime Minister of the India, serving since 2014. He is the leader of Bharatiya Janata Party and has been in the office 3 consecutive terms. Okay, so I hope guys you like my video. If you have any doubt, please do comment. Bye bye. Take care.